In the fall, when it's cold, we're looking for a way to change the decor of the room without undergoing major renovations. Then lights are undoubtedly the best choice. Lighting can drastically change the side appeal of an interior with minimal effort, and you don't have to do anything new when it comes to theme, room's color scheme, or even layout. Decoration. A traditional bedside lamp seems like the obvious choice. This video will show you how to decorate your bed with lights in a variety of ways, from simple designs that provide soft general lighting to adjustable options to light things to do. Here they are. 1. Place the lamps on your bedside table. The simplest way to do is to place table lamps on one or both sides of the bed. All you have to do is hold both sides of the headboard or the extension neatly compressed to the back of the headboard or carpet. Table lamps will give you a very expensive look and sophisticated. They bring a touch of tradition that creates peace and tranquility in the room. Conical shades are particularly important now on tall glass or chrome bases. Two. Hang the lamp on the wall. If your bedroom is in the process of renovation, you have a good time to connect sconce cables. They are good because they do not take up space on the bedside table. They favorably emphasize the space behind the headboard, which is often accentuated by accent wallpaper, contrasting colors or decor. Wall lights on an adjustable pedestal are very practical. You can press them firmly against the wall if you wish and adjust them so that the light falls accurately on the book during the reading period before going to bed. Three. Use suspensions. The most popular at the moment is the ceiling suspended above the bed. Feel free to use the suspension if you are confident in the room layout and the bed won't change its position for years to come until the next update. It looks very stylish. A small chandelier on a long string hangs 50 centimeters above the bedside table. You can play with the designs as you wish. The main condition is that not too large chandeliers should be chosen so as not to disturb you in the bedroom. Four. Watch out for ceiling lights. The most unique and functional is ceiling lamp. It distributes the light in such a way that it illuminates the environment as much as possible. So he designed the position of the chandelier on the ceiling in the middle of the room by drawing a diagonal line from corner to corner. Choose the chandelier yourself based on these indicators: room size, ceiling height, interior style. All these criteria will tell you what kind of light source you should be looking at: lamp or 8-arm chandeliers, ceiling or suspended chandeliers on machined or chrome bases. Five. Put the lights on the headboard. This technique is the most popular among architects and designers. The headboard area has been carefully thought out, and this is an option. Many decorative pendants decorate the headboard with solid LED or fluorescent lights to give the niche character and illuminate it with hanging spotlights. If you are interested in this type of interior, contact a specialist for technical plan. While not a complex element, this will be a valid and logical decision since such a design. But it is often beyond the capabilities of a person working in another field. You save time and worry by saving unnecessary costs when reworking.